宾，靠的是来自马来西亚、新加坡远地的朋友，欢迎您。
大家好，大家好。 新加坡以及马来西亚的伙伴，三千追，耶耶耶！单品深深爱你人参饮料，还有我们的这个人参复合果汁，那么这两大王牌呢，都能够带给你健康，带给你年轻漂亮。在我身边呢，就是这个西班牙的千年酒庄所我们的代理的这个红酒哦。
今天如果你通过 CMS， 如果我们是10个国家，不管你的销售是上还是下，我们如果在那个国家存在呢，就永远太阳世纪有存在的地方，就是这样简单的，好不好 ？No matter the sales is up or no matter the sales is down, as long as the country been opened by Sun Century, it will be forever in that country。我们不是叫你去开麦当劳。 我们要叫你去做麦当劳的老板，好不好？不要开麦当劳了，做麦当劳的老板，好不好 ？Right。
所以，2018、19这2年，如果都是金融流动性很差，都是这个其他的产业不好做的时候，恰恰是直销这个行业最好的时机，同意吗？要特别恭喜大家，太阳世纪寻找到了一个。 生工程技术革命的一个产品，只有干细胞。有了这2个情况，我将没有理由做不好业绩，同不同意？
Untuk kita buat dekat sini, kita tinggalkan segala yang apa yang kita nak buat. Jangan buat 2-3 perkara.
I think we can be the best of the best in the world in any network marketing company, and the best is Sun Century.
那太阳世纪的平台是一个真正传递爱、传递健康的平台。那在2018年，我将带领我们的团队。 创造更多的业绩，做到更多的辉煌，真正的把天下无极、天下无贫传递给更多的人。亲爱的太阳世纪家人们，我们一起加油！谢谢你们。好，谢谢叶飞老师，感谢你们所有人对太阳世纪、对挚爱家族的信任，谢谢你们。在挚爱家族里面有一个口号，那就是当你爆单的那一天，是我们所有挚爱家族真正的负担起这个责任的一天。 相信你才会拥有，坚信你才能成功。在太阳世纪里，你的付出一定可以得到
penubuhan yang pelbagai di Asia Tenggara. Glory Group Holding Limited hari ini melancarkan penubuhan Institut Penyelidikan Sel Stem Tanaman pertama di rantau ini. Penubuhannya yang bertempat di Seksyen 26 Shah Alam itu bertujuan melakukan pelbagai penyelidikan sel stem tumbuhan di Asia Tenggara. Ketua Pegawai Eksekutifnya Ricky Gunn berkata dengan adanya institut penyelidikan itu, syarikat berkenaan akan mempromosikan kelebihan teknologi sel stem tumbuhan supaya lebih ramai pihak memahami dan mengiktiraf teknologi tersebut. Menurutnya, teknologi sel stem tumbuhan memiliki 96 paten di seluruh dunia. Ia diaplikasi dan dilindungi hak paten di 15 negara seperti Rusia, Korea Selatan, Amerika Syarikat dan Singapura.
Glory Group Holding bersama Ukhuwah Corporation Korea untuk melancarkan pusat penyelidikan dan pembangunan sel stem sel tumbuhan yang pertama di ASEAN dan juga yang kedua di dunia.
Di bawah rancangan pembangunan Glory Group, Malaysia akan menjadi negara pertama di Asia Tenggara yang mempunyai institut penyelidikan sel tumbuhan.
Lurking in this mountain range is an elusive life form. Some say its fleshy body mimics the human shape and that it possesses healing properties. Wild ginseng. Ginseng was first discovered in China over 3,000 years ago. Today it's a much sought-after herb throughout Northeast Asia. This may look like your garden weed, but beneath the surface lies green gold. For centuries, the ginseng root has been used by Asians as a tonic to treat a range of conditions, from common colds to strengthening immunity. But cooking this tough little root can be a time-consuming process. For those looking for a quick fix, this might just be the answer. Finely processed powder made from the highly prized herb that takes only minutes to prepare. So how do they turn an ancient medicinal root into a modern supplement? How do they do it? This is a farm with a very paranoid owner, and he has very good reasons to be. Growing under their feet is Asia's green gold, ginseng. By the 16th century, wild ginseng was becoming scarce, so people in Korea started cultivating them on farms like this. And it doesn't just grow anywhere. If sunlight is too strong, the plant's leaves wither, slowing its growth, and the soil must drain water efficiently, so clay sand is preferable. But farmers pander to its every whim, because even young roots like this can sell for $100 a pop. That's if he doesn't eat it all. But the real prize lies deeper in the mountains. He's venturing beyond the farms in search of wild ginseng. Only the most experienced can find this king of roots, and that's why they call him the master. To spot ginseng, you need a keen eye, a natural compass, and an ability to appreciate the wood for the trees.
여기는 동쪽과 북쪽의 그 방향이 적당히 맞고 그 다음에 수림의 상태가 침엽수, 한엽수가 적당한 수림 상태가 됐기 때문에 선정을 하게 됐습니다.
And when ginseng is spotted, he lets the whole world know in the traditional Korean way.
가지가 4개고 잎이 5개인 거 보니까 이게 4933, 정 4933 봤다. 신 봤다.
Digging delicately to avoid damage, it can take up to half a day to retrieve a single root. So why all the hype about the old stuff?
좋은 거는 왜 그러냐면은 산삼이라 하면은 산에서 이제 그 산의 전기와 지기 그걸 오랜 세월 이제 이 산삼의 몸통에 축적이 됨으로 해서
Research seems to suggest that ginseng can help lower blood sugar and enhance immune function. And according to some of the earliest written accounts of ginseng, it can quieten the spirit and curb emotions. Well, it seems to have done neither for him, but that's probably down to the price tag on this baby. 90-year-old ginseng can fetch up to $50,000. For those too busy to hunt for wild ginseng, there may be an easier way to get a ginseng fix. This is where these scientists come in. They take a piece of wild ginseng and perform surgery, searching for a very tiny part of the root, the plant cell. Some believe certain plant cells are the reason plants regenerate throughout lifetimes that can span hundreds of years. Professor Gary Loke from the University of Edinburgh has recently published his research on these cells in Nature Biotechnology journal.
Plant stem cell is a cell that has the abilities to both replenish itself by cell division and also to change into a variety of distinct specialized cells.
These multipotent cells are located in the tips of a plant's roots and shoots and also in vascular tissue, but they're notoriously difficult to isolate. Researchers at this company have managed to isolate these multipotent cells and name them Dobule, or New Star in Korean.
And this has never been accomplished previously and is a major breakthrough in plant biotechnology.
They now hope to grow ginseng cells in a lab instead of hunting for them in the wild, making life a lot more convenient for fans of this rare medicinal root. But it seems this scientist is not quite ready to share his technique with the world just yet.
I'm sorry, but top secret.
Once the researchers have these multipotent cells, they're then cultured in these jars, where they grow and grow and grow at an alarming rate. When they run out of room in the lab, over 1 trillion cells in a 250-litre tank are driven here for the final stage of the culture process. This is where they house the mammoth 3-ton tanks. These cells aren't your garden variety mould, they need food to grow. These special nutrients are added into the tanks and mixed for 10 minutes. Water is pumped in at a comfortable 21 degrees centigrade and gently aerated to keep oxygen flowing to the cells. The fussy cells are then emptied into a giant jacuzzi through a sterilized pipe. In case the aeration isn't enough, a computer-controlled blade keeps spinning inside to stop them from sinking to the bottom. 15 days later, a whole new batch of cells is ready for collection. It takes more than a colander to strain these minute cells, and that's where this giant sieve comes in. Pressure pushes the liquid out of the tank to a filter press.
이 구멍을 통해서 여기 안에 있는 3톤 배양기 안에 있는 또별들이 지나가게 되고 이 여과포를 거치면서 배지는 빠지게 되고 이렇게 우리 또별이 여기 안에 이렇게 고이게 됩니다.
4 hours later, Dobule cake is scraped off the filter and collected in metal trays. But these soggy cells are not quite ready to be eaten just yet. This is not a Japanese capsule hotel, but a 200-kilogram freeze dryer. Bacteria are all around us, and they need a moist environment to grow. Freeze-drying removes water from the cells, while leaving the structure and composition intact. Once dried, it can be kept without refrigeration and bacteria-free for many years. The ginseng powder is now ready for packaging. It's weighed and put into a bottle designed to keep moisture out. Under the cap is a little container of silica gel. These are little beads with a high surface area that allow them to absorb water. Any moisture that creeps in is quickly sucked up by the beads, leaving the powder dry and light. The bottles are then carefully hand-packed. And bingo, an ancient medicinal herb packaged for the 21st century. All this while, the master is still looking for his root.
Different from animals which can freely move, plants can only stay at the same spot and silently endure all kinds of life-threatening incidents, such as ultraviolet rays, wind, rain, animal attack, and so on. Plants have special power inside. Plant stem cells, the immortal cells, are the origin of plant vitality, in which the growth and regeneration of the plant is programmed in its entirety. However, the impossibility of plant cell isolation had been an established theory in the scientific academia. In spite of 160 years of research, none had succeeded in isolation and culture of plant stem cells, because they have thin cell walls and can be damaged easily during sampling. In 2005, Eunhwa succeeded in the world's first isolation and culture of plant stem cells. In 2010, the research outcome was published as cover thesis on Nature Biotechnology, which created quite a sensation across the world. The article published on Nature Biotechnology genetically confirmed that Eunhwa's plant stem cells express robust defense response against environmental stresses. Thanks to this special function of plant stem cells, they can generate various active substances to overcome the extreme environmental stress and enable plants to survive in extreme conditions. Eunhwa's research team focused their research on the characteristics of plant stem cells and succeeded in fast and low-cost mass production of natural active substances, which are known to be good for health, but too rare and expensive to get. Plant stem cells are ageless cells with amazing regeneration powers, which can reproduce and proliferate itself. With plant stem cells, Eunhwa's research team has developed highly effective natural ingredients that have the same or better performance than existing well-known substances. Further, the active substance production utilizing plant stem cells is an outstanding high-quality production system. Plant stem cells have a large number of mitochondria, which are known as the powerhouse of cells. Sufficient energy supply enables rapid mass production of active substances. Moreover, cultured plant stem cells are composed of the homogeneous cells, which can result in high-quality production for active substances. Constant quality control is also possible. Utilizing various characteristics of plant stem cells, Eunhwa is developing novel botanic drugs, as well as biomaterials for pharmaceutical, nutrition, and cosmetics, and actively pursuing commercialization with the world's leading enterprises. With creative inspiration and conviction, Eunhwa's research team has taken the first step to achieve the dream of promotion of health and extension of human life. Eunhwa has branded plant stem cells Dobyeol, which means another star, to brighten up the world just as a glittering star in the night sky. Plants hold nature's boundless vitality. Eunhwa puts the dream of life into Dobyeol. Technology which gives the vitality obtained from nature to humans and has infinite potential to brighten the future of mankind. Everything starts from here. World's only plant stem cell, Dobyeol.
Always feeling tired, unable to concentrate, poor memory, stressed, low immunity. These are the common symptoms exhibited by today's generation, caused by the unregular, undisciplined and carefree living attitude of the modern days. Environmental pollution encourages a rise of free radicals in our body. Free radicals attack tissue cell membranes and more severely on DNA structures in our body, causing deterioration of cell functions, body aging, diseases, and even cancer. For example, secondhand smoke can result in a rise of 10 quadrillion units of free radicals in us. Fortunately, our body is born with natural enzymes which fight against free radicals. But these enzymes often fail as we gradually age. That's why we need extra supplements against these free radicals. Salam Ginseng Juice, a health beverage made of 100% natural ingredients, wild ginseng and 18 fruits and vegetables, high in antioxidants, which shows great results in the enhancement of energy, immunity, memory, focus, and overall metabolism. On top of that, it also prevents a variety of diseases, including cardiovascular diseases and cancer. Most health beverages sold in the market comprise large water molecule liquids, leading to difficulty of absorption for the human cells. For every 1,000 milliliters of the health beverage consumed, only 10 to 20% can be absorbed, causing the other 80 to 90% being wasted. So, what is the difference between Salam Ginseng Juice and the other health beverages? To overcome the issue of bioavailability of our Salam Ginseng Juice, we engaged nuclear magnetic resonance (NMR) technology to reduce the size of the water molecules, thus making it easier for the human body to absorb the essence of the ginseng juice. Through this experiment, we will present to you the free radical level in the body before and after Salam Ginseng Juice consumption. The first test shows the urine sample from a person before drinking Salam Ginseng Juice. Upon mixing it with the tester reagent, the urine sample turns dark red, showing high levels of free radicals in that person's body. Next, the same person will be served with Salam Ginseng Juice and a urine sample will be taken 20 minutes after consumption. Upon mixing with the tester reagent, the sample turns light red, proving a lower free radical level in the body compared to the previous sample, showing a huge difference in the result after consuming ginseng juice. This experiment proves that Salam Ginseng Juice is capable of reducing free radical levels in the human body within a short period. Choose joy and happiness. Choose Salam Ginseng Juice. Doesn't matter if you're a housewife, a working adult, a senior citizen, a young teenager, a kid, or a patient in need. Salam Ginseng Juice is the first choice for you and your family.